हमारा सारा जो बिहेवियर होता है वो उस इंटरप्रिटेशन के मुताबिक होता है, and not with the person. So we are not with the person, we are with the interpretation we are making of that person in that moment. This is the first exercise, and even before introduction we are doing this. I want you to look at this, khatun that you're seeing on the screen, and I want you to tell me your observations as you look at her. Tell me your observations. Okay, what can you tell me? You can post it in the chat box. You can say some things if you want. Tell me your observations. So Hina says, cheerful.
Sir, she looks decent, और जो काफी पढ़ाकू लोग होते हैं वो लगती हैं.
Okay. And she is becoming a little conscious of everyone looking at her. Shiba says that. Shiba says, I hope I'm pronouncing your names correctly. Do let me know. Javeria looks lively, friendly, and fun to be with. Iram says, a simple and elegant girl. What else? What else can you tell me? I want your observations, simple, your observations. Bright, smiling face, Mariam said. Hina says calm. Iram says innocent.
She's very curious now.
Pure. Okay.
सर मैं वो वाला सारे एक्सपीरियंस इस वक्त यूज नहीं कर रही, मुझे इस वक्त जैसी नजर आ रही है मैं वो सिर्फ कर रही हूं.
Okay, Ashma says she's sitting on the bed, so she's casually attending. Here's the thing I want you to understand. Everything you said, it may be true, but आप गौर करें, आप लोगों ने जो भी कुछ कहा है, that's more of your, your interpretation than observation. Or she's calm, she is comfortable, okay, she is innocent, she is this way and she is that way. NLP begins with observation, not interpretation. What would be the observation? Okay, let's look at Javeria again, and then let's see what we can observe. What happens जब हम interpretation करते हैं? Once we have made an interpretation about a person, हम किसी के साथ communicate कर रहे हैं, and we have created that interpretation, and then based on that interpretation हमारा सारा जो behavior होता है वो उस interpretation के मुताबिक होता है, and not with the person. So we are not with the person, we are with the interpretation we are making of that person in that moment. And then we wonder, यार मैं क्या कुछ रहा था, समझा कुछ. We have all the problems in our communication. Okay, so that's the first lesson I want you to take. Observe, and we will be doing some exercises inshallah later in this course to hone your observation skills. But understand this, it's about observing, it's not about interpreting. We do have the tendency to interpret. We make interpretations of everything. We form opinions about things. हमारी जिंदगी में कुछ होता है, कोई event होता है, and then we form an opinion about it, and based on that opinion we start reacting, okay, or responding in this way or that way. But that's based on our opinion of something. So we form these opinions and we make these interpretations. Oh, she's so innocent. Do you really think that ये खातून innocent है? आपको पता है अभी इन्होंने क्या हरकतें करके आई हैं ये? कितनी खतरनाक खातून है जिनको आप innocent समझ रही हैं? Okay, so it's understand this कि हमने अपने आप को ज्यादा ऑब्जर्वेशन मसल्स को अपने प्रैक्टिस करना है, एंड हमने चीजों को ऑब्जर्व करके ऑब्जर्वेशन की बेसिस पे बात करनी है. We do have this tendency, we have this habit of interpreting things, we have the habit of interpreting people's behavior, and since we've been doing it all of our lives, that seems more natural to us. Okay, but observation is something that you will find as you're practicing NLP, you will find this is more useful for you. Okay, so this was the first lesson for you. I'll stop recording here.